Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel PyLearn. In today's video we are going to see encrypt and decrypt without any modules.
So first what I will do is let us take an example. I will explain you it by taking an example. First, suppose B, capital A and small c is a string I had taken to encrypt it. So here you are seeing the ASCII codes of small a, small b, small c, and for small a the ASCII code is 97, for small b 98, for small c 99, and so on up to small z we can consider. And for capital A it is 65, capital B 66, capital C 67, and keep on going up to Z. So to encrypt BAC without using any modules in Python, first we will take the odd. Before that we will take a dictionary. In the dictionary 0 to 9 are the keys. For 0 let me take an symbol in keyboard. So let me take 0. Symbol for this will be, I will taking anything you want. I am taking hash as a symbol for 0, and for 2 sorry 0 1, and for 1 I am taking question mark as a symbol. For 2 I am taking, this is only just example, had already taken some symbols, so let me show you. Here you can see I had taken and symbol for 0, star for 1, dollar for 2, plus for 3, like that. So we will consider this only what we had taken here. So let me erase this all. So what is the ASCII code for B? It's 98. ASCII code for A, capital A, it is 65. 65. ASCII code for C, it is 99. Small c, this is one. So we will take all this in a list like this: 98, 65 and 99. After now we will traverse into this list, through this list, and take each object and split it into, by taking it into a string, and string means we will convert this 98 into a string. Now again we will traverse through this 98, so we will get 9 and 8. So the symbol we had taken for 9 is, there you can see 9 is opening bracket, square bracket, square bracket. So for 8 is less than symbol. So first we will take a line. For 9 it is bracket, for 8 it is less than symbol, and again slash. These lines are to separate each word, each letter. So for 65, 6 and 5. For 6 the symbol is curly brackets. For 5 it is question mark, curly brackets, question mark, again line. 9 9, the 9 its symbol is this. This is how our encrypt is going to work. So let me run and show you here. So now I am encrypting. Encrypt of, I am giving what I had given there: small b, capital A, small c. So let us see we are getting that or not. Sorry, I had forgot to print. You can see exactly what I say. So let me explain you how I written the program. So I am taking a new file and writing the whole program here. So first we are taking a function called encrypt and taking an element into it to encrypt. So I have taken the element. Now first we should have to traverse through the element. So I am using a for. Before that we will create a temporary list to store the ASCII codes of this. Temp list is equals to empty list. Now for I in element, what we are going to do now is we will take the odd, append the odd of the element to temp list. So temp list dot append of odd of I. Here odd is a built-in function which will give the odd of a letter. So we will get all the ASCII codes of that. After that we should have to convert them into strings. So I will directly write str function here only, so it will be easy for our program. Now we will go through the each object of the string. So for I in temp list, again you should have to go to the each letter, means that each digit. So for I in, sorry, already we had used I, so for j in I we will compare. So I am copying the same dictionary here. This is the dictionary. I will copy it and I will paste it somewhere here. So the output, I will store the output in a variable called out is equals to an empty string. Actually we should have to add a line to it at starting. So we had add a character, line character. So now I will append it by using out plus or equals to, what we will do is now add this symbol according to the letter. So what we will do is dic of, we should have to get the int of j. So what will happen, we will, by getting the odd, means the ASCII code, we are splitting that number into each digit, single digit, and again converting into an integer. We are getting the symbol from the dictionary and adding it to out. So after we add the symbol and going to next one, before we should have to, before going to the next means next code, ASCII code, we should have to add a line character here. So that's all we are done with our program. So we should have to return it to the main function. So we are done with returning also. We had written the output to our main function. So let us run and see how it was running. So encrypt, let me print of encrypt of. So let me give what I had given previously, B capital A small c. So let us check is there any error. Before that, let me save this, select folder, let me new file, line 12, oh, print spelling is incorrect, save it. Sorry for the errors. In this Pydroid, we can navigate our pointer by using the volume up and down. So you can see it was running successfully. So we had created a program for encrypt. So let us create a program for decrypt. Def decrypt of LE. Now we should have to take the code, means encrypted string, and give the input. So first we should have to, what we should have to done is we should have to separate it. So let me take a temp list is equals to ele dot split off. We'll split it by using this character, means when we encountered a slash we should have to split that. So the problem we will face here is in starting and ending, both there will be this same character, so we will get them. To avoid them, so let us see a solution for that later. So first we will print it, we will check whether how it was running. So let us check how this list was printing, temp list. So we should have to call the function. So let me call it def decrypt of so let for this time, so let me not use any symbols, just for checking a purpose I am using some symbols. So let me run it. You can see we are getting an empty strings starting and ending, so we should have to remove them. So we should have to change templist dot pop of 0 and templist dot pop will remove the last one. So we should have, there is no use of giving any index. So now we should have to traverse through the list. This is the main one. So we should, again here we want this, means here according to the symbol we are getting the number. Okay, so copy, we want the dictionary here, so we had get the dictionary. So for I in temp list, now we are getting the each symbol, we should have to convert them. So let us convert. For that we should have to get each, again we should have to traverse. For j in I, here we should we require a output list out list is equals to empty list. Next, so another temporary list and the temporary variable, so temp is equals to empty list. So temp, so let me take this temp inside this for loop. So cut it here. Here I will paste it. So temp plus or equals to dic of j. So you will get that. After getting that, we should have to add to the output list dot append of int of, we should have to take the integer int of the temp. So get the ASCII codes of the each letter into this. So last and final, that is the output. This is the variable which will store the output. So for I in outlist, what we'll do is out plus or equals to char. This is the function which will give the character of the given ASCII code, char of I. So this is the last statement, return statement, return of out. So let us check print of decrypt of. So you should have to give the symbols. So let me see the symbols. What should I be giving this to get the string? Bracket less than, next slash, after that curly question mark, this slash. So let us run it. Temp reference before send. Here this is line 22, there is an error. Okay, this is TMP. So let me save it and run it again. String only component, there is again an error. Str off. Okay, here we are getting, for the string we are getting an integer, means for the given string we are getting an integer. So we can add a integer but not string, we can add a string but not integer to a string. So let us run it. You can see it was running exactly. So our last thing is we should have to give a while loop. You can customize your while loop. So I will provide the link in description to download this file. You can specify your while loop there in this file. You can edit the file and you can get this code. You can download this file. So please subscribe my channel for more videos and more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.